How to fix iOS 26 not showing. Let's get started. First up, if you're watching this right after the WWDC keynote, know this. Apple usually takes a couple of hours to push the first developer beta after the event ends. So if you're not seeing anything in software update just yet, give it some time. Next, you need to make sure your iPhone actually supports iOS 26. From what we know so far, iOS 26 is expected to work on iPhone 11 and newer. So if you're using an iPhone XR, XS, or anything older, unfortunately you may be out of luck. If your device is newer than iPhone 11, you can follow these steps to get iOS 26 beta version. Launch your Safari browser, navigate to the website developer.apple.com, click on two bars given at the top left, click on the option account. Now provide your Apple ID's credentials, email, and the password. Accept the agreement when prompted. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Enroll Today. Once you complete this process, you can close this, then launch your Settings app again. Navigate to the Software Update page, click on Beta Updates, and check in for the option iOS 26 Developer Beta. Now click on Update Now or Update Tonight and download it. So this way you can fix and update to iOS 26 now. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.